Hi, my name is Kat. I'm a tech enthusiast focused on business intelligence and data driven product management. I'm going to show you one of the tools I've been using for business analytics, which, as you can see on my screen, is Mixpanel. So I've used several analytics tool before, and by far, Mixpanel has been one of my favorites. It tracks user interactions with web and mobile applications, and it also provides communication tools for my targeted users. Initially, I was using Firebase and Google Analytics and manually exporting the data and doing the computations I need on Google Excel sheets or Excel. But when I moved to Mixpanel, everything was just easier. So today I'm going to show you how to do some basic analysis on Mixpanel, building reports, building dashboards, and also I'm just going to show you around Mixpanel and show you some of its features. Okay, just to give you an idea, the business model of this company is sort of like Netflix, but focused on different topics. So it doesn't do movies or TV series, but it's a video streaming app for working out. As you can see, it has four main menus. So you can either check dashboard analysis, users, and data management. I'm going to be discussing some of the features that I've been using on a day-to-day basis. So under data management, I've been doing a lot of live view streaming of the feed of the events. So this is where I could see how or what my users are doing. So I can see that someone just signed in or logged in into my app 5 minutes ago, or someone just started a video 52 minutes ago and the specific person paused the video or resumed the video and then paused again and then completed the video. So this is a live feed of what's what my users are doing and what's happening inside the app. If I click on one of the event, like video start, I could see the distinct ID. This is the user ID. And if I click on this, I would see my the details of the users. And I can also see its device model and its OS version, and also the screen size. And I can also see the title of the video that the user watched and which category it was under. I normally use this live view whenever I test if the integration or the event properties are working well. For example, I would open my mobile app and play a video, and then I would check if it's actually recording the video play. If I want to do like a test, if all the events are working properly, I'd go to the live view. The next one I want to show you is the users. So the users, you can do two things. You can explore and understand your users, and you can also create cohorts. So for this app that I'm working on, we have around 1,000 users. This app is not available on the market yet, but we've been doing alpha testing and beta testing for about a month now. And we've been onboarding users and having them try the app. So we've already onboarded 1,000 plus users to test the app. And I can see all my users here, and then I can group them depending on the conditions I want. So like I can group them based on gender, based on country code, based on their cities. And I can also create a cohort for them. So a cohort is sort of like a segment wherein you can segment who your users are. And then eventually, if you just want to track anything specific about this segment, you can be able to see how this specific segment are behaving. So for example, here I have Android August testers, which consists of 287 users. I have August testers, both iOS and Android, which is around 899 users. You can create several cohorts, and you can actually go and dive more specific into this in order to really track your user behavior. So you can do something like, I want to create a cohort for the users who played this specific video. So you have a, a group of all the users who played that specific video, and you can do a targeted communication for them, or it will help you make better marketing campaigns. So that's users. Now I'm going to dive deep into analysis. So analysis is where I build my reports. I have insight reports, I have flows reports, funnels, and retention. To give you an idea of what each of these are, insights is where I can just analyze the specific behavior of my users. So the events that they've been doing. Flow is where I explore the path of my users, or what they've been doing inside the app, or the pages they've been hopping in. So like sign up, dashboard, account. I can see a specific behavior of the user. And then funnel, it's just pinpointing where and why users drop off. So normally it's like users who signed up, users who went to the account page, users who deleted the account. That's one example of a funnel. You can see where the users are like dropping off. And then retention, it's where you can identify if users are coming back over time. And these three others are used normally when you're doing A/B testing, and also identifying some actions, specific actions of your users. But on a day-to-day basis, I normally use this for key analysis tool here. Let's do the insights. I'm gonna create like an example insight report. So what I'm gonna do here, for example, is video plays. Video plays. So click on my top events, and I just want to see the video start. Here I want to identify all the users who played a video or started a video. I can do total, meaning it can be one user can have multiple video starts, because like for example, you're using Netflix. I start a lot of videos, or I click video play several times. So I can count that here, the total number of video plays of all the users. Or I can also do the unique who performed an event. So it just counts the users who have started a video in a specific timeline. I can also do video start. Let's do that. Video stop. So video stop is when the user completed a video. So I'll also do unique. So these are the two events that I want to track. You can also add in formulas here. So it really depends on what you want to track. So for example, I want to do the ratio of video stops and video starts. So how many users are actually completing all the video that they have started. Normally, if I do it outside Mixpanel, I'd go on Excel and just manually compute it, or like perform specific Excel formulas and yeah, do it manually. But here, it does everything for all the video start and video stops. And I can filter everything based on video title, video category. So it depends on what you want to filter it on. And then I can also have like a breakdown. So it can also be any event or specific user like gender, email, city, and I want to see the last 30 days. So if you can see, it also has the data. You can also visualize the data. So here is the number of unique users who started a video on like August 28th. I have 211 users who started the video. On August 29, only 170 users. I can break down depending on video title. So these are all the videos, and you can just see which video is performing better and which is not, which video has like the most video starts or video stops. The breakdown really depends on what you need to see. If linear is not clear and you just want to see the numbers, I normally change it to bar, and I can see the total number of video starts and video stops. Here, video stop. So how many users have started a video versus how many users have stopped the video, and it's ranked based on which video has more data on it. So I'll save this, video plays. Actually, I'll remove video stop here, and I'll just create a new one for video stops. I can also create the sign up report here. So I sign up, let's see, sign up. So I want to see how many users sign up every day on the mobile app. So unique users, and I want to see the trend. So I'll make it as a line graph. And obviously we can't do breakdowns as title because it's sign up. So these are the number of users who signs up every day. And I want to see a cumulative. You can see the growth of your user base here, but you can also do just a linear one. You just see how many users who signed up every day. But if I would prefer seeing the cumulative just so I can see like how many users I have right now and if the trend is growing. So I'd save this. So that's for the insights. As for the flows, I can add the steps here. So like I want to know how many users signed up and which of these users started a video and ended the video. You can clearly see the flow of my users here. Video sign up, video start, and you see how many people have dropped off. So of the 100% of the users who signed up in the last 30 days, 52% of them started a video, 48% of them dropped off, and then 17.7% of this 52% completed the video, and then I have like a huge drop off here, 82.3%. This is the overview of the whole video start and video stop data, but I can also break it down depending on the video title. Oh no, sorry. Break it, filter on the video title. And I can select all the videos that I want to see. And this is the funnel. So you know how it's like in Netflix where you have like TV series and it has like several episodes, and you want to know how many users have watched the first episodes and how many of them continued watching the second episodes. You want to know which episode you're getting drop off more, and you also want to know how every episode is doing. So in this mobile app, we also kind of have like a same thing, but it's not really TV series. It's more of like a program, like a 5-day workout program. I'm gonna open this report. So this is a program, 5-day full body workout program, and we have 5 episodes of this. And the goal for me is to see how many users started day one and how many of them finished all 5 episodes, or how many of them continued doing the workout every day. Now, this is it's not been launched yet, but the idea is sort of like this. You can see how many users have started a video on the first episode, second episode, third episode, fourth episode, and fifth episode. So by the time that we launch, we are able to see how many of our users are doing this specific workout program. And if the workout program is really something that our users would want. Let me see if I can find something here that has data. Okay, so we haven't launched any program yet. But yeah, the idea is really to see where the users are dropping off. As for the retention, it's like how other analytics tools retention tracking is. You just see how many users are still in the app, how many users are returning, coming back. But here you can specify a specific event that you want to track. So like how many users came back to start a video or to complete a video that they were watching. Now I'm going to show you the dashboards. So the dashboard is like an integrated page where you can integrate all your reports that you did under analysis. I've made several dashboard here for this app testing that we've been doing. I am going to show you some of the dashboard. I can start with pre-launch, I guess. So for the free launch, we onboarded 1,000 users last August, and here are the reports I've created. So I have the user signups here, cumulative, and then the linear version, so I can also see how the user signups is doing every day. And then I also have like a comparison of the signups iOS versus Android. And I have the video start, so how many of the users have played the video, total video starts, and then total video stops, how many of these users have completed the video, and then how many unique users have started this video and how many of them have stopped the video. And then I can also compare both the video starts and stop. And these are just individual cumulative report that I want to see of the video plays and then the stops completed. And these are the trainer leaderboard. And also I've been doing some analysis on the category. That's the pre-launch dashboard. And for the daily engagement, I want to see how many users have played or are playing our videos every day. So that's the daily active users. How many users are playing the video every week and every month? And the video leaderboard, which video is performing well or have the most video plays. Category stats, trainer leaderboard, video start stats. And if I just want to add a report, I can just hit add report and then like video plays, which I already have here, but just to show you what it looks like. So one report added on the dashboard and it comes up here. I can customize it, make it bigger, make it smaller, and then add more and then just hit save. But yeah, as mentioned, I already have that here, so I'm just gonna remove it. And I can create different dashboards, different reports from Mixpanel. I think it's one of the most powerful analytics tool I've used, especially because it combines both quantitative data and qualitative data that I want to see. It has like the data visualization here, and it's also very slick. So I've been having issues with my Firebase and Google Analytics the past weeks. It's been very slow, and sometimes I just want to see a quick overview of how the app is doing, and I want to visualize it instead of me going to Excel and creating charts or going to Tableau and manually creating charts. So this is like a daily view of how my app is doing and what how my users are behaving. And yeah, that's Mix Panel. You can do a lot more things on Mixpanel. You can, if you're also like in the video streaming industry, you can add more event properties like total watch time, video positioning, so you can know how many hours an average user watches on your app every day, and you can make better business decisions on this. And yeah, I've been also constantly trying out other tools, analytics tools. And if you want me to try out a specific tool, just let me know. Feel free to email me. And I'm going to link down my contact details below. And I'm also gonna upload a few more videos about the tools that I've been using for business analysis and product management. So thank you for watching.